morning and welcome to PIF's Coffee Chat session. I'm Cheryl and today's guest is Clarence, PIF's Corporate Finance Director. So, could you share about some of the primary responsibilities of your role as a Corporate Finance Director at PIF?
Right. So my primary responsibility at PIF as the Corporate Finance Director here is I lead the SME Accelerator Program, SAP in short, which is our in-house consultancy program for our SME entrepreneurs.
So what are the key initiatives that you've led for since you joined PIF Capital?
I think broadly there's two things that I have initiated since I joined. Number one, I look into the product that we have currently and to see what are the areas that can be improved, and to make it better, deliver a better product for our clients. Number two is also I revisited some of most of all of our clients, and to get to know them one by one and to see how we can help the existing clients as well as the new clients.
And I understand you've also been involved in raising over 2 billion in funds. So could you share just some key factors that companies should take note of when pitching to investors for fundraising?
Okay, I think most importantly, companies need to know, their positioning, in the market. Are they an early stage company or are they a more mature company? What sector are they in? And then from there, identify the right kind of investors that would be interested, in investing in them.
Okay. And what are some of the emerging trends in corporate finance that you believe will shape the industry?
Yeah, I think two major trends. Right? One is technology is something that is non-negotiable nowadays. It used to be a good to have, but now it is a must-have. Right? So I think all companies that are around today, this day and age, need to incorporate technology in the way they operate. Right? That's number one. Number two is a growth at all costs model. During the tech boom. But right now, I think there is a increasing focus on unit economics and path to profitability for a lot of investors nowadays. So other than growing fast, investors also expect companies to have the discipline to grow profitably as well.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for